Okay, now we're going after just about the last one of these. Certainly the last hard one. Oh, this is the hardest one of them all, in fact. I usually like to do the hard stuff first, but I kind of missed this one. Ay, 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 it's just buried. Now, maybe there's another component whose lead comes up, and I can steal a connection from. Boy, I don't see that at all. Ay, that's not good. I could leave it, because replacing it is not really possible. Or I have to remove a bunch of components like this and this. Gotta come off. That's my only alternative, is to take these guys off. Now, the one's easy. It's my own capacitor, so I can get that off. Easy enough. Okay. The other one is this resistor here. That won't be quite so easy. Assuming the original builder did a good job, this lead will be bent around here, and it's just not going to be that easy to get it off. Let's see if we can get rid of some of the solder there. Got some of it. Let's try one more. It's quite loose already. Didn't really get anything with the second shot. You know what? I got enough clearance there now anyway. I think I got enough. I just move this guy over here. Bend that wire back a bit. Bend this guy up. If I can do it. I think I can do it. First, we'll cut this. Go in and cut that. Try to leave as much of it as we can. Okay, we got him. And that would be a 0.022. 0.022 again. 0.02. Two 0.04s in series. It's a fair bit of space in there. Let's try it. Okay, just making up the two capacitors here. little tight. One vertical and one across, I think we'll be okay. Get rid of that excess lead there. Some of it anyway. There we go. Still got too much lead on it. There we go. Big controversy up here in Toronto today. And that's the Toronto Zoo is sending away its elephants to a place in California. And you might think, well, what were you doing with elephants in Toronto? Toronto being a a winter place, elephants generally don't hang around winter places. They're generally from warm climates, and that's a valid question, but the elephants have lived here for 40 years. And so a lot of people are very, kind of hurt to see them go. Not the least of which, transporting elephants is that's no small deal at all, as you can imagine. And they are on their way to California right now. I think they said it was a 50-hour trip or something like that. And then when they get to California, they'll be in a nice setting, a nice warm setting, a large area to roam. They don't have that here in Toronto. But they've been living here 40 years. So lots of controversy up here about these poor elephants. Sometimes these wires just like to bend themselves in their own direction. They don't necessarily go where you want them to. Get in there. Okay, I can solder that if it'll stand still while I do it. I'm not sure how good that really took there. But you know what we'll do? We'll leave it like that. We'll work on the other end. We can come back to it after. Fix it up a little better. It's on there, but it's not on there very good now. Getting back to the tricky one here. Oh, that's interesting. The lead has kind of worked its way under a wire. I didn't expect it to get under that. Well, that's good. It's not bad like that. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's settle for that. Bad chance I'm going to get them twisted around together properly. But I think that's enough. Ooh. Room for the big soldering iron here. Come at it from a left-handed point of view. Lots of smoke. Oh, at the last minute I knocked the wire off. And now it's probably tacked in the wrong spot. Yeah. Ah. Come on, get off. Okay. This is awkward. Okay, that's a little better. I'm not going to get these wires twisted together, that's for sure. Maybe if I can just get them to hook onto each other. That's... Oh, come on. There. Oh, there we go. That's gonna do it. See if I can get the soldering iron down in there again. Yeah, one thing about being a surgeon, you know, is when you're done, the thing you've worked on, the person you've worked on, they finish the job with their own natural healing capabilities. You just got to kind of get it close. Not so much with these things. You don't have any healing properties at all. I got it. By Jove. I got that one. Oh yeah, we're going to look at this situation. You know, that's pretty solid. We're going to leave it. Just get rid of this extra wire here. And there we go. I think that's every one of those capacitors in the audio circuit's been changed out. They're all gone. To give you some idea of what we've done here. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I've thrown a few into my can here. 12, 13, 14. 14 of those guys. I still see a couple more. Which we should probably get at. But not bad for now. Thanks a lot for watching so far.